Right guys, how's it going? Early morning, Sunday morning here. We're sat in this wattle and daub shelter thing. Sat in the sun. It's a pretty nice little shelter. I don't know what it's put here for, but I kind of like it. Sat on a bench here, looking out onto the main road down there, and over in the distance that's a 5 freeway heading into, well, let's say San Diego to LA. That's what that road is. Busy as hell. No, not a good road to be on, is it, Peanut? Peanut loves sunbathing. It's one of his favourite things. Anyway, we got a new knife to look at. Let's take a look at that. Anyway, battery probably gonna go flat in a minute. But we've got another Rough Rider to look at, and this one is RR127. That reminds me, years and years ago I had a Fiat 127, a little bright yellow car. Totally random thing to say, but it was a pretty cool little car at the time. Let's take a look at this thing. Alright, here we go. Nice little muskrat and smooth white bone. It's about just under 4 inches closed. Lovely clip point blades, long, slender. It's about 3 inches long and 2.5 inch cutting edge, if I remember rightly. We've got the RR logo here, and we've got the model number and I think China written under that. Now these are in 440A, and I think it's written on here somewhere. Oh yeah, 440A razor sharp steel, and I like this pattern, even though they cut me every now and then playing with these blades. It has no half stop on this, so it's all straight round. It's got a good spring. I like the spring tension on it. See where it goes. Yeah, and the pull, it's about where you want it. I'd say it's about a 6. Nice and smooth action on it. And the transition between the smooth white bone and the bolsters is really good. On this one we got nickel silver plated rivets. We got brass liners here, and I'm not seeing any crazy gapping in here, so fit and finish is pretty good on this one. We got the single line on the nickel silver bolster there. Just pretty cool knife. I like the pattern, like I say, to have 2 blades that are essentially the same. One goes blunt, you've always got the other to play with. Yeah, and 440 sharpens up easy. So there you go. That's a new one for the collection. Alright. Thanks for watching, guys. And if any of you have got any interesting muskrats, drop in the comments below. Let us know what you got. Catch you later. As well as coyotes in this area, we have bobcat and occasionally the odd mountain lion. Up in here, it's too thick to get into. I've never seen anyone get into this stuff. But you can see there's caves up in the back there. Let's just zoom in on one. If I can... These caves like that could well have big cat in them. Pretty interesting, I think. I like the wildlife around this area.